In times of crisis, we look at alternative technology to increase efficiency and reduce costs. This crisis is no different, and I'll explain why and how to use chatbots as your first step. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. And make sure to hit the little bell so you'll be informed when I upload a new video. You won't want to miss anything I designed especially for you. It has been shown that hospitality properties that adopt quickly and decisively in times of crisis to new concepts later reap the rewards. If you want to stand out, it's not time to play it safe. Instead, now is the time to expand your reach. Once we reach the post-pandemic era, newly implemented technologies will become the new norm, and taking an early digital leap will set your property ahead of your competitors. Chatbots are a great place to start. Why chatbots? Artificial intelligence has been named as the most promising technology of the past few years. We have and will continue to see a rapid increase in the use of AI in all sorts of platforms, messaging being no exception. AI-driven chatbots are a way to streamline guest communication, whether before, during, or after their stay. Since the beginning of the pandemic, we have developed new digital habits, most of which include our mobile phones, like scanning QR codes for restaurant menus, video calling, and not to mention a huge uptake in messaging use. Your post-pandemic guest will expect to be able to request services or ask questions through messaging channels instead of having to line up at the front desk. Continue reading and I'll share the uses and benefits of chatbots right after a word from our sponsors. Question for hotel, resort, inn, bed and breakfast, etc. owners and managers. What if, knowing how to open your hospitality property doors post-COVID-19 and giving your guests such a safe and amazing experience that they will not only want to return, but will rave to their friends, family, and colleagues about how great your place is, was as easy as cooking? Sound weird? Let me explain. Reopening your hospitality property using the post-COVID-19 action plan. No guessing, no testing, no wasted time. Just follow the proven recipe and make your property cook. Click the link for more information, and happy cooking! Before the break, I said I would share the uses and benefits of chatbots. Automate and streamline workflows. Chatbots are a great way to start the process of converting your guests' communication into a digital format. However, it is important that the process that precedes or follows the conversation are equally digitized and streamlined. When a guest's request comes through your messaging platform, the right automated process should be in place so the request immediately goes to the right person and the next steps are clear. Don't wait to automate. Consider automating your reactive incoming, but also your proactive outgoing communication. Send out key information before arrival so your guests can come prepared with the right expectations and you can be well prepared for your guests. By proactively contacting your guests at key stages of the journey, you can detect any needs before they become issues and facilitate essential information. Collect, analyze, and learn from guest data. In this changing climate, it might be difficult to pinpoint guest needs, which is where guest analytics can help. By analyzing your guest data through messaging interactions and guest requests, you can better understand who your guests are and create smart guest lists for a more effective and segmented communication. You can learn about your guests' needs and preferences by analyzing incoming guest requests. What service or information do they request most? Through what messaging channels, etc. Guest request data can also help improve and streamline your operations by looking at what issues are reported most frequently. What are the root causes? Are all issues resolved? How fast are they resolved, etc. Keeping track of guest data will allow you to adapt and better your strategies as situations continue to evolve. Do these make sense? Let me know in the comments. If you're a member of the Hospitality Property School Group, as a bonus, I am going to explain the different types of chatbots, their pros and cons. In conclusion, when you decide to introduce a chatbot into your business, keep in mind that for a successful digital communication strategy, you need much more. They are a great starting point, but the rest of your operation should also be optimized and streamlined with the right technologies so you are well prepared for what comes after the pandemic. Do you have or are considering using chatbots at your property? Let me know in the comments. Alright, you're going to have access to this episode for the next 6 weeks, and then it's going to be gone. It's going to be locked away in the vault for Hospitality Property School members only. To see all the valuable material you would have access to as a member of the Hospitality Property School group, check out the short video in the episode post show notes. In the next episode, I will be talking about collecting your guest emails. That's it for today's episode. Until next time, have a fun day. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you sign up for the Insider Tips. You can find the link in the show notes.